Hello. Okay. So I hope you can hear me. So this is Nifty and Bank Nifty. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. So guys, um, I hope you can see the screen. Again, if you have any queries or questions, so please feel free to ask. Okay, so let's see how it performed. So again, like many posts I also made in the morning as well, like especially this one, like but it we were here and like this small move could have been captured. Again, that is also again not a small one. Like if you see, even after that, like it was at 572 and it jumped to 607. So and on an expiry day, like you get with that move, the premium moves by like almost if you just go slightly in the money, it moves by almost 20 to 30 points. So even in Bank Nifty, if you see here, that is like in the morning here we saw some good amount of call writing. So let's look at let's zoom in. So this was at 9:15 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so right at the very first minute, and that is something you don't get elsewhere. That is the thing. Okay, and again, like as I already said that I mean people will say that like only God and liars can catch reversals from exact top or bottom. So again, I'm not saying my indicator can catch all the reversals, but look at here, right from the top. And this is an indicator. I am also not saying, the indicator is saying. And I can similarly like show you that like if you say that you have changed the code or something. So this is the HFT algo scanner. Again, I'm showing. So this is the web page. It tells you when it was last updated, March 15th. Okay. So I'll be adding this, and here it has been added. And now let's make the settings. So what do you see like, uh, sorry. So let's take Bank Nifty 54,700 and strike difference 100, 11 or 6 is there. So 6, 29, 05, 25. Okay guys, so some code that I updated last on March 15th, that too it was a minor update. So that code is predicting the reversal, okay, right from the top. So you should understand then, like, yes, and also like you see, you can see it matches. So there is nothing fake going on or something. Yes. So it's purely data points and it can catch the big guys. Like even here also big call writing happened. Okay, and then after that, like it started for even in today's Bank Nifty money flow also, like if you see before the fall, like here by where by 10:52, like I saw here the score went into highly negative zone before the fall. Okay, so you can check out the time. And not only that, for today's fall, like if you go and check out AI money flow of yesterday, So let's look at the version of yesterday. So if you see the yesterday's version, so see how it's ending, like how bad the scores were ending yesterday. And it's no surprise that like we went down in the morning. So that is the beauty of the indicators. And again, as I said, like with the HFT algo scanner and the AI money flow, it's almost a complete setup. But again, we have added that smart trend again for that SL or something, and with the smart trend, it's totally a complete setup. Okay, so just three indicators and your, I mean, trading setup is just complete. Like three indicators, simple to use, and one of them is the leading one. Okay, so like something which people haven't seen in the market yet for like from the starting of the Indian stock market. So like people haven't seen such an indicator that can catch or track reversals. Okay, so that's what everyone fights for, like the people who trade during intraday, that we want reversals. And that's how like the thing is. And again, let's also come to Nifty. Yeah, thanks Skyweaver. So yeah, and it all happens in real time. Okay, so no delay or anything. So yeah, in Nifty, like as I already showed you yesterday, so you have to see like the call writers that were present were yesterday. I showed you like here, like I mean more than 100 CR of call writing happened, as well as here also. Okay, so 122 CR of call writing happened. So in yesterday's like the slightly the amount can differ because yesterday while I was making the video, I think the strike was different, but overall I showed you in yesterday's performance video that like I'm talking about. So let's see. So basically today the beers are dominating and nothing else. So again, in this video yesterday, open challenge one, okay? So I showed you that like there we had that. So yeah, so there we had that like the thing is that 100 CR of call writing, okay? So more than 100 CR of call writing, and mostly it was like writing and then like today gap down and then straight fall, okay? But like right at the bottom there, the put writers again came in here. Put writers, call writers, both were there. Okay, so and it was consolidating. So it also sometimes happens that when the put and the call writers are both present, so short straddles are formed. And after that, if you see the market is consolidating, so that then it would like you will see that it's making sense. Okay, so again here again you see right at the bottom. So that's what I am saying. Like for the intraday guys, like it's the best one. So whenever such big quantities of positions are taken, like you see red, still not the market reversed, like it was all red candles, and right after that the market reversed. Okay, and again here as well, like here then slide 1 2 3 candles and then again the market reversed, like again here. So here like again if you see that is like, let's look at the amount: 62 CR, 57, 81, 57, 81, and then 48, and then here also 41. So again now you would say that like then how, which one like should we go with or what? So you see here put trading happened, you see, and then okay fine, now it's like the traffic signal. Okay, you see that like the orange light, and I mean so it's like a steady, you get ready. Okay, and you know that it happened and you wait for the reversal. Okay, reversal wait means like these two. Okay, so a confirmation, a slight confirmation that yes they are present. Okay, they are trying to take the market up. And then after that, like here we see red candles, so we wait for some green candles to appear. And also we see further put trading, and there like suppose here we saw the two green candles, and then let's say suppose we enter here. So we can like put the SL from where it curved, okay, and might be a slightly below that as well. And then after that, like you see that it's going up. Okay, so that's how you can manage the thing. And sometimes it like happens right away. Sometimes it happens 2 to 3 candles and then moves. And sometimes like this, it happens right after the that candle. So again, you have to just see where, I mean, wait for the chart to bend slightly. Okay, and that's it. So again, this is kind of a reversal indicator. So you would see that now you would say that market is falling so much. Your HFT indicator is not catching the call writers. What is the problem? So the problem is nothing but this indicator, I always say, it has been designed to catch reversals, okay, like from exact bottom and top. So like there is no such indicator that can do currently in the market. So you should understand that if I have built such an indicator, so uh, yeah, boss, good afternoon, boss. So yeah, I mean, you should understand that there is nothing like that in the market, and every indicator has its limitations as well. Okay, so here the HFT algo scanner has been designed to catch reversals. Okay, so reversals means if market is going down, it will look for opportunities for going long. Like it will try to figure out the big guys if they are doing put writing or some long taking some long positions or not. So that's what it does, okay? And if it goes up, then it looks for short signals. That's how it catch reversals because like that's how it's designed and that's how it's being able to catch reversals from exact bottom and top, okay, or almost bottom and top. So that is why we also have the AI money flow as well to guide us because like here the AI money flow went like here, if you see negative by 11:25 -20, so we can understand that there is a negative bias or the big bears are present. So and also the AI money flow, when it's moving for the first time in the negative direction, when it's moving in the positive side for the first time, then it matters, okay? After like it has already moved in the negative direction for a long time, then like it might or might not matter, but for the first time it's entering, so something is happening, that's why the scores are going down, right? So you should understand that. And 11:25, if you see on the Nifty chart, so this is 11:34 here. So this is 11:25. Okay. So this is 11:25. It was a green candle. Market is moving up, but we are having like a red signal. And finally, the red signal came at like it was a heavy jump here. 11:39 as well. So that was right after here. But again, that's what I'm saying. Like it's entering the negative zone. Okay, while market was consolidating, not even like the fall happened. It was almost at 24,600, and the scores were entering the entered the negative zone. And not only that, the fall, as I said, it was due to Bank Nifty, and suddenly after that it recovered. These put traders recovered it. Okay, so like why Bank Nifty? Let's go to the Bank Nifty AI money flow. So now you would see here that is far before like Nifty even went into the negative, Bank Nifty went heavily into the negative. 1049 from -8 to -26 and -32. So 1052 it gave the signal. Like I'm showing in Nifty, but yeah, so from here almost Nifty when it was here. So even let's go and check out Bank Nifty chart as well. So 1050, so 10 10 10 10, yeah, so 1052 right here, okay? So right here the thing is that Bank Nifty's money flow went into heavily negative and then this fall. Okay, so that's what I am saying. Like for the first time it's going into the negative. Like suppose market is consolidating or market is moving in a narrow range, and also if market is moving up, score is going down. So those are the very nice signs like that market like the bears are attempting to take it down. Okay, And so that's why I said that it was due to like the bank nifty. Okay, so the bank nifty people took it down, that fall, and then after that like it suddenly recovered. And again let's see, like here at the top what was our score? So 12. So 12, if you see here, almost scores again recovered, and again it started going into the negative direction by 12 12. So 12 11 12 12 is here. Okay, so this candle 12 12, and then again after that like again even in the smart trend also it went to the negative, into the sell mode, and again this fall came in. Okay, so that is, sorry, yeah, so that is the thing, that is like with the AI money flow and with the HFT, and again smart trend if you want to use or not. So along, so these three indicators makes a complete setup. So one is like, one is looking for reversal signs, and mostly reversal signs. Okay, like even yesterday also I showed you that while falling market it also showed that further call writing happened, and again further fall came in. So that also happens. Okay, but mostly it has been designed to catch reversals. Okay, and the AI money flow, it gives you a total picture about the big guys activity, big operators activity in the option chain. And the smart trend, as you can see, buy sell signal giving, but we don't go with the all the buy sell signal. If we see that like Nifty AI money flow, like here Nifty AI money flow went into negative, we also saw the sell signal in the smart trend, so this was a good to go. And this smart trend is giving you stop, and it's also trailing the stop. So that's how, like, even like for those who are, let's say, can't handle much pressure or something, so they can go purely based on the rules. That is, if you see that heavy call writing is happening in that is HFT, or maybe this AI money flow is going heavily negative, then either you are in the sell mode in the like in the smart trend, then you go straight away, and the stop would be on the smart trend itself. And if it's not, then you wait for the sell signal on the smart trend. So that's how also the like the smart trend, that's why we introduce the smart trend as well. So yes, so that's the overall view. That is why this is a complete setup, and every day I'm showing it to you so that like you don't have any doubt. Like in Bank Nifty, we got the signal at right at 9:15 a.m. the just before the fall. Okay, so why, if you see here, that is like the thing is that even like in Bank Nifty yesterday also, sorry, yeah, Bank Nifty even yesterday also, like here, like lastly, like mostly call writers were present. Even I showed like Bank Nifty AI money flow score also, that also closed in heavy negative yesterday. So again, everything is connected, like it's all data points and it will all make sense at the end. Like even if you want to see here, that is we were waiting for a fall yesterday. Like if you notice here, that is yesterday I posted at 1418. Okay, wouldn't it come down again? Check the signals. So I we were getting all those bearish signals, and I also showed you that more than 100 CR of call writing happened, and we were expecting a fall at the end, but the fall was delayed. So now the fall came in today morning, and then right after that, like we saw that what happened. So and again, the thing is very simple to use. You just go with the light green and the light red on the HFT, and AI money flow is very easy to use if the scores are going negative or if the scores are going positive. And from negative 15 to 15, it's the neutral zone, so that means consolidation period. And in that, it's good for the straddlers to like sell short straddles. Okay, like sell both C and P of the same ATM strike, or maybe plus one strikes. So however you sell straddle, so it's all up to you. So yeah, if you see any trade possible, like this one happened here and it's pumping. Okay, so this is the beauty of this indicator, right? Like we are live, guys, and it happened here, it pumped. So, after 2:15 to 2:30 p.m. up move possible, sir. सर देखते हैं ना क्या होता है एचएफटी में क्या दिखाता है देखते हैं मतलब सी आई डोंट डू मुझे लगता है सो दोज हु फॉलो मी और लाइक फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम प्योरली डेटा बेस्ड व्हाई गो विद मुझे लगता है व्हाट दिस एंड दैट सो I mean the HFT is showing live so why should I even bother to think about मुझे क्या लगता है no if the Gen Street are taking some huge position it will show here. Okay, like here it showed. You see, and right from there it reversed. And this one I posted on X as well, but I posted it when Nifty was here. And then after that, like this move also came in. So again, going up, you see the call writers were there, like here. Going up again, right at the top, these call writers were there. So again, some put writers were also there, call writers were also there, and then money flow went negative here and then it went down. So let's see the current version that will put more faith in you all about the indicator. Even in Bank Nifty also you see here that is just look at here. Here some put writing happened and suddenly spiked up. Okay, so this is the beauty here and here as well. Even the last one I was live here, so it's here. Then after that, two red candles came in. So, anyways, let's look at Nifty. So we have expiry there. Also, the money flow scores. So for Bank Nifty, it's showing neutral. For Nifty, also it's showing neutral. Yes. So let's see. এক গাদা put red. লোকজন হলো AI money flow দাও sharply fall করলো exactly 301 এ 1301 13 yeah 13 yeah right 1301 the score suddenly jumped right and even during that time also like here at 1301 like just before 1301 also like here 1301 so put writing happened so you see data points are all connected most of the places because I mean the so yes Ronak is like he's a member so he has like as he is notifying like he has noticed this thing that is the AI money flow jumped here if you see here right at 13 like 1301 the it was negative 47 and it jumped to negative 1 so it's not about negative 1 or something or negative 4 it's about the score increased now you should understand if the score is increasing or decreasing by a good amount so it means that some activity is going on like if the score is increasing so it means that the some big activity is going on right so that is how you can see that okay 24,500 support is solid yeah looking so even let's look at the option chain once 24,500 yes 347 okay 3.47 CR of Y yes Uh, one show in 15 minutes time frame, sir. Okay, showing. Yeah, support is strong there. Indigo, nice fall after call writing. Yeah, you showed me. Indigo had a nice fall after call writing at 12:15. So we'll go to Indigo and see. Okay, 2:15. I hope I have answered all the queries. So 15 minutes, yeah. So going for like, let's go one by one, 3 minutes, okay? So you understand what is happening. So it basically shows the same data in a cumulative fashion, okay? Even at every minute, in 1 minute also it shows the cumulative what happened during that minute. 3 minutes, every 3 minutes it will, whatever happened cumulatively it will show, okay? So like this, if we go for 5 minutes also, the output remains the same. The output doesn't change with time frame. The output remains the same, okay? But why I choose 1 minute? Because I'm a scalper mostly. So this is the 15 minutes. So I'm mostly a scalper. Now, if I am like going for this 15 minutes and I'm seeing that like some call writing and some put writing has been done. So within that 15 minutes, like, so like we only follow the call writing and the put writing. Right here, you see big amount of put writing happen. Okay, so we follow the light green, which is the put writing, and the light red, which is the call writing. So both happened. But here I am not exactly getting like, I'm not able to pinpoint where they made. Okay. So in 1 minute I can do that. I can very well see that right now they are making, right now they're making. Yes, even in here also I can see right now they are making, because the cumulative one will show up. Okay, as soon as they start making. So I can understand that they are making, and even in the next candle it like 24,560 to 24,606. Okay, so almost 50 points up. So I hope like you got the point why I go, because I am mostly a scalper, and I need like 2, 3, 5 points. And like this, I scalp it with 900 quantity. So if I get 10 to 15 points, and 20 points is very good for me. If I scalp like 3 points, 5 points, like let's say 5 times or 2 to 3 times, so it's good for me. Okay, like even, so that means like at around 10,000 to 15,000, it's good to go. That's it. Like always, like if you think that always I'll trade and always I'll make money, so the thing is that it doesn't happen that way. The law of large numbers says that your result will go towards the mean. It will move towards the mean. The more the same experiment you perform, the result moves towards the mean. So that means like it's not about trading more and more, it's all about trading like where particularly the big guys are present, and just ride with them, capture the move, and just get out. You don't have to even think like what is happening to the prices, what is happening there, that technical analysis, RSI oversold or not. If the big guys are buying, whatever RSI is oversold or overbought, nothing matters. Okay, I mean, whichever direction they are, like suppose if they are writing calls and RSI is oversold, still market will fall. Okay, so, and we have seen that it happens with a very high probability. So it's not about 15 minutes, like it's about like the same, like here the 15 minutes thing will be added cumulatively, it will show on the 15 minutes chart and nothing else. It's not about you are seeing something else on 15 minutes. Okay. Yes, so yes. Self-explanatory. So the thing is that you can very well understand it's nothing but modified MACD. Someone also like saw my comment and went under his video and commented that this is nothing but modified MACD, and like they have hidden their comment. So he or she can see that their comment is still there, but once they view the video through like let's say incognito mode, they can very well see that the comment is not there. Others' comments are there, but his or her comment is not there. So they have removed the comment. Okay, so I mean, if they, I mean, it was not even a negative comment. So she showed me that she just wrote that this is a modified MACD. That's it, and they just removed. Like if it was something negative, then I would have agreed. Okay, you have written something bad. That's why. But she just wrote that this is a modified MACD, and like since they know that like that is correct, people will know, get to know. So they have hidden the comment. When will we get option chain analysis also, bro? Uh, I don't understand like option chain analysis. Oh, option chain analyzer. So you want to know the logic of that option chain analyzer. So yes, I have put a condition. If there are 500 likes, then I will definitely like post the logic of the option chain analyzer. And I don't know, like I haven't ever taken any subscription from that guy. So all I have like they are providing trial, so that's why I've taken that free trial. And and the option chain analyzer, I just like saw the screenshots that he used to post EOD. Okay, so at first I was also fooled. I used to think that how is it possible, this and that. Then like slowly like over the period of time, many screenshots I saw, and then I understood that this is nothing but fooling the people. So I will make the video, a detailed video on how to make that with proper with I'll go to his profile and show you those screenshots, like if the posts are still there. And all, and also note that that option chain analyzer only works on a trending day. So you'll mostly see that he has posted the option chain analyzer day, like EOD screenshot. Not, he doesn't post every day. He will only post it like when market has moved in one direction, like this last Tuesday. Okay, and the other days when market moves zigzag, he doesn't post. So if the option, if it's only option analyzing option chain, so it should like work every day or almost every day. So why should he hide? Like even I post every day, I make videos, I show everything. That you tell me what you want to show, I'll show you. So I keep 100% transparency. So I have confidence in my indicator. Even I post before the move. So before the move, you won't see that guy posting because he doesn't have any confidence in his indicator. Okay, so even in Bank Nifty, you saw here call writing happen right at here, and then like this fall. So that is the thing. Like, so I'll make a very detailed video, and that like even in the current one, like I'm not sure about that expansion or whatever. Like I got the main part of that indicator, I showed it to you, but some parts like here and there, some conditions and that expansion something. So that can also I can think, but like I spent 2 nights, like totally I spent 2 nights. Yesterday I was awake till like 4 a.m. Totally analyzing it, how they are making. I know that Pine script's limitation. When I didn't know Pine script's limitations, then I used to think that, oh, this and that, wow, wow. So now I know the Pine script limitation. I know that what can be done, what cannot be done. So then like I completely spent the whole of the last 2 nights, and finally I was able to get it. Like it was nothing but MACD. Suddenly it clicked my mind. Otherwise I was just doing like how the bars are coming and so on. Like I was like going through charts and charts, and I was just trying to see any pattern how those bars were coming, and then I wasn't able to. So I got surprised. So then I suddenly it clicked my mind that why not we try MACD. So it was nothing but finally modified MACD, and then I made the video 5 a.m. in the morning, I think, and posted it, and then I went to sleep. So I hope you appreciate the effort. Like, I made the effort to bring out the logic right in front of you, and you can very well now see the proof. Like, it's almost matching. Like, so something when it's almost matching, you know that the other parts is like certain conditions. So, but for the option chain analyzer, like, I know exactly what is being done. Exactly. Like 100% it will match. Like not even 100%, 90% it will match. Okay, some here and there the representation will matter, but inside the code, whatever is there, I can match it 100%. So for the option chain analyzer. So so again, please do share that video so that people also, I mean, see, it's also your responsibility. I like, I saw that someone is I mean, making some fake indicators and like trying to rip off the retailers or guys like us. So the thing is that I made my effort, and I I showed it to you. Now it's also your duty, like, to share it among the people. Like, share it. Like, don't let even one selling happen. Like, just share it as much as possible, that so that, like, no people should buy it. Yeah. So let's come to when you are really thanks. I did my part. I like, bro. Oh, thanks. So share it among the other traders also in traders group or wherever, like, and tell them that this is happening there. Okay, so yes, I mean, the thing that he says that this is India's first option chain analyzer, unique of its kind, and it's nothing. If market is only moving in one direction, it works. Otherwise, it doesn't work. So market moves in one direction one day, like, or 2 days or 3 days or 4 days in a max to max in a month. So otherwise, like, it's so once show 1 hour in next year once, please. Okay, yes, yes, I'm showing. Oishov expression contraction gimmick. Yeah, so that is also some kind of gimmick. I have to think again, but majorly we got what he's doing, like how he's showing that. See here, green candle came, confidence was increasing. It was nothing but the MACD was increasing. And you could have captured this move, so people could use a free indicator MACD, and you could have captured that move according to how whatever he was, I mean, explaining. Just replace it with MACD, and the same thing will also work there. And, like, see, guys, there is another point, that is, if you are making a replay version and making live commentary, and you are acting like market is live, and you are like making your commentary as like live market, so it's like recording a cricket match after you have seen the whole cricket match. You have recorded it, and then you are doing a commentary on that recorded version. So it's like that you know that who has won. Okay, so after that, there is no point in doing commentary. Okay, so just wondering, why do we see call writing for initial 15 minutes when market was going downhill today during that time? Call writing. Oh, do not, that I discussed. Yes, I discussed. Again, I'll discuss. Yes, I discussed at the beginning. I'll again discuss. We really appreciate your work. Thanks. Keep it up. Can you summarize? Yes, I'll summarize again. So, just give me 5 minutes. I'll summarize. I strongly feel that market might fall further today. It has closed around at what do you think? Yeah, 24,500 looks as support. In fact, something back, even Sushil Kedia was after this guy claiming that he is totally Farsi. Yeah, so now you have the proof. I made the video, I posted it today, so now you know. Like I have proof that he's Farsi. I can claim that he's Farsi. I was claiming for these 3 days. Like, what happened was that I last live stream I came, I said, so that was kind of claim. I can understand, but I cannot make you understand because then I have to show you proper examples. So I couldn't find the pattern. I couldn't find how it was being done, but I was able to understand that it was nothing but printing the charts. Okay, so that's the thing, like, so that's the thing, I could understand, but I couldn't like figure out exactly how. Now I figured out exactly how it's doing with MACD and I posted. Now you have the proof. Yeah, so coming one by one, let's go to 1 hour chart. Okay, 1 hour chart. So you see 1 hour chart here. Okay, so don't go on very higher time frame, it's useless. Okay, so 1 hour, where call writing happened, move happened already or not, you don't know, because these are HFT guys. So it's not recommendable for, like, see here put writing happened right at the bottom, move came in, like they got their profits, they got out, and after that if you're like viewing it on a 1 hour chart, you won't even get that idea that the move came in and they got out. Okay, so that's the thing, like that's why, like, go into this 1 minute or maximum 3 minutes, and that's it, like you get a clear picture. Yes, summary for Nifty, and also the question why we didn't see call writing. So again, in Bank Nifty you saw call writing, like here right at 9:15 a.m. So right at 9:15 a.m. we saw call writing happening in Bank Nifty, the light red. We only follow the light red and the light green. So light red is call writing, light green is put writing. Big guy is mostly short, that's why we follow the short. Okay, like the writing positions. And the deep red is the put buying, and the deep green is the call buying. Okay, and that's the thing. And okay, so yes, and here it happened, like right at the beginning, 9:15 a.m. In Bank Nifty it showed, and the thing is that, like, you don't even have to wait for the OI data from NSE that will come at 9:18, and also like then it will come next at 9:21 and so on, like 3 minutes gap. It's real time, and it's absolute real time it shows. Okay, so the thing is that let's come one by one. So here in Nifty, this fall, the very first fall. So yes, in Nifty we didn't get any sign of the call writing, but in Nifty the call writing happened yesterday. Like here, more than you can also even see the fund. That is the unique part, and there is no such indicator that can do that. Okay, like it can catch reversals from right at the bottom or right at the top. So again, here, so now you would say that like those who are new here, don't say that like only God and a liar can catch. This is an indicator. Okay, so this is not a god, not even it can lie. So here so again 117 cr, like here 122 cr. Even yesterday's video that I made about the HFT performance, so there I showed you that huge call writing happened at the end, and we were waiting for this sell, like here 14 to 18, we were waiting for the Nifty to come down. It did not, and today it came down. Okay, and that's why whenever and also like even yesterday we saw that our AI money flow, so if you see yesterday's version, so our AI money flow also ends in heavily negative zone, like negative 40, and so it, like everything, like all the dots joined in the morning. Okay, so even if you see here, that is this, suddenly this candle came up, but the signal was just before the candle. Okay, not in this candle, don't make that mistake. So it's like, it's really I mean a game changer one for the option traders, that is you are getting signals before the move. Okay, and so this fall came. Yes, I understand that we did not get the sign, but again, you see that I'm not saying that every time we would get the sign or something. So HFT indicator has been built for reversal. So here it already yesterday it showed, it gave the sign for the reversal, and today it fell. Now coming down to the bottom here, right here the put writers came in, went up. Some call writing also happened. So whenever call writing and put writing both are happening, usually it's a short straddle, and market was consolidating. Even here as well, like you see right here, right at the bottom here put writing happened. The amount is 68.3 cr. So also why did we keep the fund? Because to know that like here call writing happened, here put writing happened. Now who is the bigger shark? The bigger shark is the put writers. Okay, the put so like who is putting more fund, I'll obviously go with them. So here it went up. Okay, like again it came down, and again this indicator has been designed for reversal. So that's why like we also have the AI money flow. So here right here in AI money flow it showed the sell signal like 12, like 1202 or 6 here. Okay, so here 1203. Okay, and right after that even in the smart trend we got the sell signal and it went down. Smart trend we don't go with all the sell signals. Okay, so we we don't go with all the buy and the sell signals. So in smart trend, so we analyze with the HFT and the AI money flow, and then if you want you can then go with a similar signal on the smart trend, and it gives an SL stop. It gives you stop, and it also like tracks or trails the SL. And again here, so this post again here also like put writing happened. So it, whenever market falls, it looks for the long positions that the big guys are building. And here, right here, it gave like the sign 147 CR of put trading happened, and 1 2 3 candles, and then it sharply went up. Okay, and again, right at the top, some call writers were also present, and the put writers also were there. So smaller sharks, as I said. But right before this fall, like it will look small. Why? Because with respect to this candle, these are small. Right before even that fall also, here if you see mostly like gradually they were increasing their positions of call writing. So now it fell again right here and then fell, and then right at the bottom again put writers, and it was a good amount of put writing. Like this is 80 62, this is 42 cr, this is 57 cr, this is 81 cr, this is 48 cr, and continuously put writing were happening 41 cr. Okay, and then finally again it gave a up move, and again like it again here smaller sharks were present, and that's the thing, like that's how it's going. So even here also like these are smaller sharks. So I hope like I've been able to summarize it for you. So even in Bank Nifty also, if you see here, Bank Nifty, our AI money flow I showed here, it was negative, it fell, and here it was the call riders were present mostly, and AI money flow was negative, consolidation was there, and then it fell. Right at the bottom here, like right at the bottom here, the put riders came in, and then two red candles, and then again it took support. Not much, but yes, it's taking support for that time. Here even like some put riders came in, it again took support. So like this, it's totally like here we were live, and then like this happened here as well, like it fell. So now here we were live. So this is 24,700, so I should change it to 24,500 ATM, because that deep in the money, so we can get some. Okay, 24,500 put writing. Okay, let's have a refresh. Just a second. Sometimes trading view. No, it's fine. Both of the places put writing happen. So what is the amount of put writing that happened? This is like with respect to 24,500 ATM. So which is 33 CR. So this is 33 CR, okay? And it happened right here. So right here, the second last red candle. Okay. So that's how you can pinpoint. Okay. But if you're on an 1 hour chart or 15-minute chart, you won't be able to pinpoint, because intraday reversals like doesn't mostly might not work on 1 hour chart, because the smaller the time frame, you can visualize the reversals better. Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you? So, also, isn't this indicator a probabilistic model of option limit order book? Simple stuff. See, if it was that simple stuff, then anyone would have been able to make it, right? So, yeah, what I think is like the put writers, it might take support. Let's see. So what happens is that as long as we see red candles, so we stop, we wait to take the long position. So and once we see that, yes, it's taking support, it's going in their direction, we go well with them. Yes, yeah, this is a very, very simple indicator. You can also make it. Please do make it. See, like if it was that simple, then I mean, you would have seen here and there such an indicator catching reversals. Okay. So you should understand the very basic, the very first thing, that is like there is no indicator that is able to tell you that only big guys are present. Anyone can tell, like at every 3 minutes interval, take the OI and analyze it, but not the OI is also 3 minutes, not real time. This is telling you real time, and that too the big activities. Okay, so the big guys activities. Like why big guys? I can claim these are the big guys. Now what is the proof? The proof is that like here, right from here, it's bending, the charts are bending in their direction. Okay, so like here, so the charts are bending, so that proves that these are the big guys. And so catching the big guys and telling their funds positions in real time, I don't think it's that simple. Then anyone would have made it. Okay. So now there is a confirmation. That's what I say. Like wait for the confirmation. Now you see how quickly it moved up. Okay. Yes. So the thing is that many people are saying that like some to build a scanner. So let me I'll answer about that. So wait, let me scroll and answer the first questions. So I answered that. In fact, something back. Okay, yeah, I answered sub late. Bro, if your indicator is so accurate and has consistency, why sell it or show it? I have answered this question, I mean, to most of the people. I mean, and if not, then why are you selling this to others? To be honest, there is too much inconsistency. See, like I'm showing you, coming live and showing you it's working. Like, if your indicator is so accurate, why if? It's accurate, like it's live, you can see charts are bending. Like you don't have to even believe those screenshots or something. Go and check out the past live streams. Is the chart bending? The big guys are there. Is the chart bending? Okay, why the if? Yes, now the question should be, it's working. It's working beautifully. There is no indicator in the market as such. Why are you selling it? Because there is no indicator in the market as such. Okay, like sell it and make a lot of money. That's it. Okay, so that's the goal, because trading income is limited. So let's be frank. Okay, so trading income is very limited. You can't just however sure you are that market charts will bend, you can't just put like you just sell your house and everything and put everything there, right? So there should be a risk management, correct? So you can't put everything in one go. So so that's why there is some limitation in trading. So even if you are selling, if you are trading with 1 CR, 2 CR, so just go and check the prop decks guys. Okay, they trade with 5 CR, 3 CR, and how much they are making up per month. If they make even with 2 to 4 CR, if if they are making 4 lakhs, only 1%. Okay, so then like they are very happy. So try to understand there is risk management. Okay, so like it's not about I have 4 CR, I'm very sure I put all the 4 CR in call buying. Okay, so it doesn't happen like that, and I make 8 CR, I double it in one day. It doesn't happen like that, right? So trading income is limited. So again, if you have the product and it's a good product and it's working, so make a business out of it. Business are something that will stay. Trading is a thing, it's a skill that I only have. Like here right now you saw bank nifty, the put writing happened and the charts like started bending right from there. Okay, so that is the thing. Like try to understand that is uh, also, if you can't compile a good sample size of the signals of the indicators where one can find accuracy and various other metrics needed for strategy, I doubt it. Buddy, whose are you coming? Like, whom are, be logical, buddy. Shashank. Like, you can see the big put writers are here. Okay, the small. That's why we have the fund flow. That's what I'm shouting. Why we have the fund flow. You know who is the bigger shark, who is the smaller shark. Like the charts are bending. If that is useful to you, I don't know whatever your strategy, whatever you do, I don't know anything. If the charts are bending right after it, if this is something you want, then that's it. If you don't want, it doesn't fit your strategy, it's not for you. Okay? As simple as that. Let me make it very simple. I don't know whom you are like coming, and I don't know you if you have any business and I'm hampering it. Make some logical statements, okay? And this is live. Okay, so people don't come live with their indicators because they don't have any faith in their on their own indicators that they have built. They will show after market hours replay version, not come live. Okay, and replay versions are like recording cricket match, and after that you are watching. Okay, so stop loss aren't done now. Any up move also, isn't this indicator a probabilistic model of options? Yeah, it's very simple, guys. Hello, sir. How are you doing? HFT scanner is one of its kind. Eighth one. Yeah. So, like, it's not I'm claiming. I'm proving every day. Like, uh, hello, sir. How are you doing? Are you using a GPU to processing the real-time data? Yes, I have the GPU. Like, I've shown the the setup of my several times on X as well. So I have a very powerful machine. Well, I made one in Python, been using this for like we're not talking about OI, purely order book dynamics. I hope you know these names. No, I don't know these names. Like if you are trying to sell their business here, I don't know their names. First of all, I don't know their names, and like if you are trying to sell their business, so again, stay away. Okay, and if you are not trying to sell their business, and if you truly know that like you have a leading indicator more leading than this, or it can catch reversals, bring it on. So we will I have kept an open challenge that this is the best leading indicator in the market, and the open challenge is that if you have a if you think that you have an indicator that is more leading than this, then what we'll do is we will pick up a week every day, like starting from 9:15 a.m. in the morning till 3:30 p.m. We will like keep both the indicators live and open to the public. Okay, on live on YouTube. Okay, and we'll see, we'll match. Traded watching live, got some. Yes, so that is the thing. Like go into smaller time frame, trade it, get some, and that's out. Get out. Okay, you definitely get some. So these big guys are making positions to get some. It's not like they are just making positions. Okay. So, okay, Shashank. So again, I might be like saying a lot of things, but do pardon me. Like many people come and do negative comments, so I have to be sometimes strict. But I don't know. You might be coming with a good intention, but again, like I would request be logical. And again, uh, like I will be happy to answer every question. And again, I'm very straightforward with this thing. That is, why do you want to sell this indicator? Because first of all, there is no indicator in the market, and if I have a good product and I can make it sell, then obviously, like, sky is the limit, guys. Based on the data from TradingView, or you have data from other sources? So like I have data from other sources as well. I would also have made a business out of it. Still, you should have compiled a sample size of the signals of your indicator. So I have, like, compiled means what? I have daily posted. So just go and check out, like, daily all indices, all stocks is not possible. So since Nifty is the flagship index, so I have daily posted it for Nifty. Okay. So you can go and check out, like, every day, either in video mode or in screenshot mode. So video, you will get it on YouTube, and your that is indicator, sorry, your on X, you will get the screenshot. So every day I have posted, and full transparency, like the full length, not some length where it worked and I, like, that part only I showed. So full day. I would have yeah. So if you want, like, see, everyone's purpose is not the ultimately the if I want to make money, someone might want to do research. Okay, so it's like depends, like, person to person, who wants to do what. Like, I may want to become a billionaire, but my friend, maybe he might be very happy with a government job. Okay, so it depends from person to person. So again, making a business out of it, it's not easy. Okay, you should understand that. When I was also, like, starting, it was very difficult for me. It will come in your mind, ये क्या सोचेगा, वो क्या सोचेगा. There are already, like, people with lakhs of followers. Once they gets to know, like, what they will tell, like, I'm claiming that big guys are present, I am a very very, like, limited followers. Let's say I have 100 followers. Okay, and someone sitting at 1 lakh 2 lakh followers, obviously it comes in the mind, negative effects comes, like, no, it's not that easy to build a business. Okay, so it's not that easy to sell. Like, I mean, like, I'm posting, I'm showing every time. Like, I've seen many members also, like, sometimes what, like, they do is, like, they share some screenshot, now this will happen, and I've seen that as soon as it doesn't happen, they delete them. So it's like a very embarrassing situation. You have to deal with those when it doesn't work. You have to, like, I mean, you have to think about those cases also, because it's open in public. If you delete them, where it did not work, so then you're not building trust. But if you're, like, showing every time everything, keeping 100% transparency, it builds trust. And that is the thing. Like, even, like, the thing is that like, even right now also, suppose I can easily, like, to get more followers, what I can do is I can repost my, so now it's pumping. So I can repost my, so here also, like, see, small sharks, these are the small sharks, they shorted, came down here, some, they also closed here. So that's why we keep the call buying, to make some reference where they are closing or not, because if they have done writing, they will also close. Okay, so again, finally, like, these are the big sharks and they are pumping. Now again, call writers, let's see. Again, like, as I've said, like, this might be, like, wait for the final one. Like, after the print it doesn't change, but while it's thinking, don't go with it. Let it think and then print it. So the big sharks are again winning, as you saw here. Even in Bank Nifty also, like, I was live here, I was talking 227 here. Okay, it pumped up. Bro is a academician. He has research papers on order books, not a seller. Lol. Okay, fine. I don't know. As I said, I don't know. I'm really sorry uh, for commenting like that. But yes, the thing is that you should understand, like, many negative comments comes, and that's why I have to deal with them like that. I'm really sorry. So whatever it is, yes, if you have like something better than this or maybe equivalent, again I'm saying I have an open challenge. Let's bring it and let's test it for 5 days in open market throughout the intraday. So I'm ready. I'm ready for that. Like I have full confidence on my indicators. So that's the thing. Like that's why I also post like the reversals like on X as well. So while the move has just started or before the move, so I post that even in the members channel. I post that because I have even I come live to show that I have confidence on my indicator. So yeah, by gaming arena. So that is the thing. And also, as I said, like you can also track the heavyweights. Like suppose if you are trading Nifty, it's better also to keep Bank Nifty side, because if Bank Nifty gives a good move, then there's a high probability that Nifty will also give the good move. Okay, so that is, and here again put trading happened. Okay, so this is, let's look at the amount. How much is the amount? What is the fund? 50.9. So yes, I am also a researcher. So I am currently at Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata, doing my research. So I am also a researcher, but again, uh, like while researching, I have found something I like, and I have seen like it works, and so let's sell it. That's it. And there is nothing in the market. So if it helps the retailers with, and then it's like also good to go. Like not only selling, like see, I have shown like this video, people are selling shits. Okay, I have to finally say that word, I'm really sorry, but like go and check out this video. Like people are selling those for 50,000 or I don't know exactly 40,000, whatever. Okay, and it's nothing but modified MACD. You get it for free everywhere. You get it for free, slightly modification, and they are selling it for, let's say, 40k, 50k, whatever it is. You can go and check out, not less than even 40k, I think. So like that's the point. That is, I'm selling, yes, but am I selling a good product? Am I selling something that is like works like wonders? Like wonders means like there is no indicator that can catch reversals, right? And yeah, so you see I mean, our sorry, members are posting like it gave the buy signal, they took, boom. So see, this is the happiness among the members. So like when you are able to catch it with the help of data points, no, it gives you like a really, really, I mean, good. It really gives you a good vibe. So no, it's not about also criticism. Like it was just a comment. Like I will tell her to make a video, and I'll post it. It was a simple comment, nothing negative in it also. Suppose if someone comes and tells me, comments under my video, that is, this is MACD, like modified MACD. So will I delete? I will say that please modify that MACD to this level. Okay, tell me the logic. How can I modify it to it? So I'm pretty much sure that I haven't copied any other indicator and like slight modifications. I have built this. Okay, because there is no indicator even doing a near about job like this. That is the fund flow. That is the real time tracking of the big institutional positions. nothing near here, because even those who are doing, sorry, those who are doing it for like on their website outside, tracking OI, so that is also delayed every 3 minutes. You don't get it in real time, and that is also a very simple one. You can also make it in Python code. If call OI increases and the premium on the call side, if that decreases, then call writing. If premium increases, then it's call buying, like similarly on the put side. So those are very simple analysis, everyone can do that. But fund flow like this, uh, so like this we saw here. So fund flow like this, 33 cr, and then like it pumped up like this. So this is the beauty. This is like I'm showing it to you live. Now you don't have that word if it works. You know it works. It works. Okay. So now the question is, why am I selling it? Just because, like, I mean, trading income is limited, and I am very clear about that I want to make money, but as I mean at the same time doing good to others as well. Okay, what are the goods? That is, I'm giving you a product which works. I'm showing it to you. That is the first thing. The second thing is that there is no such near about, like there is no such indicator which does a slightly something like this in the market in real time. Okay, this is the second thing. And the third thing is that providing it to you all at a very affordable cost. So people are modifying MACD and selling it for 40K, 50K, guys. And this is something like a truly unique thing. And I'm just selling it for 6 months for 15K, 1.5. So I'm giving it at an affordable rate, at an affordable price, so that most people can afford it. Because most people, I've seen that they will easily lose 15,000 in intraday trade. So that's why like it shouldn't be very much to uh, like not a very heavy amount. Wow, yes, wow. So it's really like a wow thing. And see right here, like it's not even about whether it will go up or not. So as soon as they make position, like FX starts, like we see FX starting. Funny, Dasji, you are doing good job by bringing this stuff to retailers like us and also clarifying the queries, positive or negative. Thanks. Yes. So, Ajit Babu, bro, please, like marketing. Feels like marketing now. Past 15 minutes, what you talked is only you are right. Haters, etc. Can we focus on why you came live? No, why I came live is to show you the indicator. You can see it's live. I don't have to make commentary on it. Like I made commentary here. That is here it happened, 33 CR of put writing. No, why am I answering? Because the question came up, Ajit Babu. So, like the question came up, like Shashank Kaushik, you can go and check out the question. So that's what I like answered. Like I am not here to, like to just do marketing stuff. So I'm just here to like show you how the indicator is working live, and if you have any queries, I'll be answering those. Okay, and that's it. Silly question, but why didn't you try to work at hedge fund or? No, I'm working at a prop firm. So I mean, actually, you don't have to work at a prop firm. You can give them like, let's say you can give them 20 lakhs and they will give you a 1 CR account and you can trade from your home, from anywhere you want. Okay. So, bro, first you explain how this works. It's going down, but still it's light green help rather than marketing, please. Ajit Babu, please, like, where it's going down, it's going up. Like, right now, I said here. See, right here we saw, and it went up. So, where is the problem? Right here, it happened. I was live and it pumped up. Right. So, can you tell me with clearly, like, where you are not understanding? It's light green and it went up. So, what is the problem? No, it's not marketing. Like someone asked, go and check out. I did not say this in the last live stream because no one asked there that question. You can go and check out the last whole live stream. I wasn't saying all these things in the last one. Someone asked, that's why I had to answer. It may it may even turn Nifty to green as I see in 1 hour time frame. No. Again, Samsung Note 8, please don't go on 1 hour time frame in HFT. It's a quick one. It's a like HFT means high frequency traders. So high frequency, they don't go for 1 hour. Okay. So it might be like so it's not only catching the high frequency are also involved, as well as the big hedge funds. They also like take positional, like yesterday I showed you that they shorted for 100 CR. Okay. Even in yesterday's video I showed you, and today also you can see on the charts, like here they shorted. So where did it go? Yes, here they shorted. Okay, so just go and check out even yesterday's performance video I made. So here they shorted. Okay, so the thing is that they shorted yesterday, and today market fell. Even our AI money flow was negative, heavily negative when market was ending yesterday. I showed everything. Okay, so the thing is that uh, yes, so the thing is that yes, they also take in hard time frames as well, but being an intraday player, so I mostly concentrate on exactly where they are taking the positions and ride with them and take the exit and get out. Even if further ride comes, like still I get out. For higher time frames, the smart trend is, yeah, for hard, but in smart trend, if you also go in higher time frame, the SL also goes higher. So that also you have to keep that in mind. That's why I also tell to follow the smart trend on 1 minute chart. But if you have like a time horizon, like if you are buying in cash, then like suppose you have a time horizon or you have a big SL something, so then like you can go with the smart trend. Suppose if you are doing swing trading, so then you can easily take the help of the smart trend and go into 1 hour chart, or let's say 1 day chart, or whatever, like 15 minutes chart, and the smart trend does a good job there, like beautiful job there. Smart trend means, I mean, this buy sell signal. We don't go with all the buy sell signal, guys, as I've already mentioned several times. So this is the smart trend. Okay, so it does a good job, like for swing traders and for on higher time frame. But there is a trace back red. Nah, trace back red means you mean this one. Okay, so that's why we have the fund flow. Okay, who is putting big money? Will I follow? Like even this is a deep red, we don't follow. This is put buying. Okay, we don't follow the put buyers. Okay, we follow the put writers and the call writers. Put writers means light red and put writers means light green, and light red means call writing. Like here call writing happened, and right, you see that after that market started falling. Right, so this is the beauty of this indicator. That is not even like after falling it's saying that now it will fall, or now it's showing some red. Before the fall, like it was going up and just at the top they shorted and it started coming down. Okay, we were live here as well and here as well. Like I showed you 33 CR. So 33 CR of put writing happened. Okay, and then after that some move and it pumped up. Okay, so now the question is, will I follow this put writer or this call writer? Okay, so the thing is that the put writers are in big, like they are taking positions in big quantity. So I will obviously be a little bit biased towards the hedge fund who is putting more money. So bigger sharks. So among the sharks there are bigger sharks and smaller sharks. I hope Ajit Babu I have been able to clarify whatever red you are trying to mean. If not, let me know. I'll be happy to answer all the queries. Bro, what's the price? Can you keep it thoda low at the start so we can make a corpus, or like 2 weeks free subs? Try it for 2 weeks and then buy. So yes, those who don't have the money to subscribe, for them I post like live, like before the move or slightly while the move has started. Like today, as you can see here, that is um, this one, like this one. Okay, so this one I posted. Look at the time of the post. So 11:48. So I do post these as well, like this one. So there the ATM was 24,600. So this one I posted, like it reversed from here. But even like if you see like 11:47 to 11:48, even after that also it moved 50 points up. But today, yes, like it wasn't big. But the thing is that check out yesterday, check out this video. Okay, you will get to know. Yesterday I posted one post and it gave 2.5x, and it was like posted before the move. Okay, so the thing is that just go and check it out. So like I'm posting several things, I'm doing several things, I usually sometimes forget. Go and check it out, check out that video. And nicely pumped up, nicely pumped up. So now you see the power of their positions, like it's truly like unimaginable. So like, and also like I have kept the price very low, guys. You see, like for 6 months it's only 15,000 only. I mean, that most people lose in one trade or even in intraday. So people like this, go and check out this video. People like this are selling modified MACD. They are modifying it slightly, the MACD, the MACD, the indicator that is available for free, and selling it for 40k, 50k, guys. So you should understand, I have kept the price very low. I mean, it's not that I want to rip you up apart or something. So yes, Ajit Babu is now convinced that it works. Thank you, thank you. So yes, name it Brahmos. Yes, we can name it Brahmos. Okay, so yes, guys. So again, like this is the beauty. This is the beauty of this indicator, guys. Like there is nothing even near to it. Like no one even has seen such an indicator. Like what the main problem is, like even I can't do marketing. Like I can't do ads or something like that, because if I run ads and I say that my indicator is catching reversals from top or from exact top and or almost top or almost bottom, like people, uh, it's not their fault also. People just simply say that this is a fraud, this is fraud, okay, this guy is a fraud, and no one believes, no one, like, I mean, at the first go no one believes. So that is also a problem I'm facing, that not able to do marketing as well. So so what I have to do is I have to come live and convince people that yes, you have a Brahmashat. What Brahmos? Okay, so we have a Brahmos. Okay, guys. So again, please do put a like, guys. So I mean, why so less number of likes? Like right from the bottom, it caught this reversal. So and we were live. So likes doesn't cost you anything, guys, and it's truly anonymous. So please, at least likes में तो कंजूसी मत करो. The indicator works, but how will I explain to someone who will never believe at the first go that such an indicator can be there which can catch reversal from exact bottom, exact or almost? Like look at this one, look at this one. Where did it go? Another one. They were in the morning. This one was there, but another one was exactly like today. This one. Yes, this one. Like ATM was 24,600. This one, like right here, it happened and reversed. So this money value is calculated by multiplying the bid prices with the quantity in the ordered book, and only when there is an imbalance above a certain threshold in the order book, the indicator shows. No. So that I have also tried. Whatever you are saying, I have also tried that. That may not happen at the bottom, right at the bottom, or right almost at the bottom or almost at the top. It happens in even in the like mostly it happens anywhere. Just go and check it out, okay? And also yes, you can calculate the money flow like that, the fund flow, but again out of that also you have to identify the big ones. Okay, so you have to identify the big ones, you have to trace them out. So okay guys, 3 p.m. is done. Like here call writing has happened, and again these call writers are also making some effect. Okay, so what is the amount of call writing happened? Let's see. So this is 43.9 CR guys. So 43.9 CR happened, two green candles, and then again started coming down. Gurudev diye HFT la. Ah, that's the thing. Like I cannot put anything too catchy name, because then people thinks that this is really a fraud. See, like I cannot give it for 1 month because I don't have the bandwidth to like people add and remove every month and so on. So I have kept the price at a very low price. And see, one day if you capture one move, you get back your whole, like whatever you have paid for 6 months, you get it back, right? Like even in an expiry day, like I'm pretty much sure like options would have C's would have got 2x, at least 2x. I mean, it can go also 4x as well. So doubt. Yeah, so this yeah, threshold, this indicator, can we do infi analysis? Aman ji, today is Nifty expiry, so okay, I'll try. $54, so let's change the ATM of Bank Nifty. 54. So these call writers are there to eat the decay. So this is 500. This is now let's bring the 600 at the top. Like we are at 600. So this is with respect to the 600. 24,600. Sir, blasted. Yeah. So thank you. So please do put a like at least if you have blasted, or if you think that the indicator is worth it. My selling strategy is wrong, I guess. Yes, I think yes, I might be wrong. I'm happy to accept that I am wrong, but see, like always I'm ready to accept that I'm wrong, and then only I can improve myself. So said blasted, done. Yes, so thank you. Can we do infi analysis? Yes, opening in a moment. তোমাকে Z plus security দিতে হবে এবার মনে হচ্ছে। Yes, fantastic work, Dada. Yes, Rahul, thanks. Anil Mishra, AI money flow is hugely positive now. Can expect positive action tomorrow. No. So as I always say that don't go with the AI money flow on expiry days. Okay, so why? Because 70 to 80% of the weightage is in the current one. Okay, so the current expiry is ending today. So 3-4 জনকে তোমাকে ইন্ডিকেটর বেচে চেষ্টা করবো এমসি তে। Yes, thank you. So yes, might be we will meet someday because you are coming to IIMC. So Brahmos indicator, name it, sir. Okay. Dasji, it has worked while we are live. Yes, the funny so funny ji, yes, it has worked. We were live. So that's why I come live. That is like after, see, even screenshots also can be faked nowadays. So people might still have any doubt. I also say that look at the screenshot when it was posted and then go and check the chart. I cannot post fake screenshot before the move, right? So even if you don't believe that, like live ones are like, so that is the thing. You're watching the live cricket is something truly different. Like you see, they shorted it at this level and now it's like there. Are you using order flow data in the tool? I'm using a lot of things. Like order flow is I have also seen that indicator while I was making this also. Like I have like researched through, I mean, a whole lot of things, and This took me 2 years to build it. I mean, many trial and errors were there too. Like, otherwise, there can't be anything like that catches reversals from the almost top and bottom. Okay, with proper fund flow. That is, the big guys are present, and not only that, I mean, like, I can always post any fund flow or anything, but at the point where the big guys are present. Okay, so that is very important. So many people come and say this is volume, but try to understand, volume is always positive. This is not volume, because here there is blank spaces, like there are blank spaces here. Volume is always positive. Okay, so like, if I want to fake or something, I can only post volume and say that, oh, this is that and that. But if market moves up, I'll post the volumes with green. If market comes down, I'll post the volumes with red, and I'll show that, see, a beautiful indicator. Okay, but actually I'm printing the charts and nothing else. So and the chart can never go wrong. So those are how people make fake indicators. Okay, so that's the thing, like, to perfect it, to make it, to come to the theory, like, I had to, like, go through a lot. I mean, a lot means a lot. So order flow also, you go and check that out, with match it with this. That's what I'm saying. Like, I have an open challenge that this is the leading indicator. I have tried out everything in the market, almost everything. Okay, that is like, they whoever claims that this is something unique, this is something new. So I have seen everything. So uh, after that only I'm claiming that this is the, I mean, best and the leading indicator in the market. So the best leading indicator, and there is no indicator even does a job near to it. Yes, and also I accept that it has its limitations as well, and that's why we have the AI money flow as well. Okay, and the AI money flow, the HFT, and that's it. Like, and if you want to use the smart trend or not, it's up to you. But with these three indicators, your trading setup is totally complete. You don't even need anything. You don't need anything, just not anything, like, you at all. Like, two indicators mostly, and this is the third one, the smart trend, and that's it. Like, that's it. So very simple setup, and some resistance and support zones on the charts that I tell, like, I have shared it publicly, all these resistance and support lines. So that's the thing. So keep the setup as simple as possible. If you keep thousands of options, so then obviously there won't be a time when all the options will align at the same direction. So that you have to understand at the first go. That is, if you keep several indicators, then you will get confused. Skados just bought the indicator yesterday, tweaked with the settings today, and I am liking it so far. Yes, thank you, thank you. So I mean, see, like, this is truly, like, thank you, thank you. And also, guys, do put a like if you like saw this one. Like, let's see, let's look at here. That is, suppose here, or we wait for some reversal kind of thing, like here or here we buy. So what was the, like, at 1423? So 1423, let's see, 24,500 if we have bought. So 24,500 CE will be buying. So let's open the charts. So again, check out the time here. 33 CR of sorry, here 55.3 CR of put trading happened with respect to the 24,600 ATM. Anyways, the time is 2:23. So 2:23. This is 1 minute. Look at, guys, here. Where is 2:23? So 2:25.43. So even, like, there was a slight fall, but the premium did not fall much. Like, what was there? Like, almost at 13 to 14. Okay. So 14, it went down to like 8 or something. And then, like, it pumped up. Like, right here, it took just 2 candles to pump to 96 even. So I was just only saying 2x, guys. I was totally wrong. It's like 10x. So yes, guys, and we were live. So again, I all every video I make, so you would see that I for every video I say that just to sell my indicator, I don't say that you should have captured this 10x or whatever. Okay, so I always practically say that suppose if you are buying it at 15 or 14, then suppose it has even pumped up to 50 also, I close it. Or if you still want to keep it, then trail the profits, put the SL order and trail the profits. Okay, so again, let's be practical. Again, when the market is coming down, the prices are coming down here, you would be closing, right? So this ride, yes, this ride could we have captured? We'll go and check out the charts. But let's see. This ride buying at 15 and it pumped up within 2 minutes, it pumped up there like to 80. So let's say that we can easily double it at least, right? So I'm saying not always we can double it. Like these moves, yeah, fine. Like sudden spike came and we close it there. But again, I mostly like close it at 5 points or something like that. I'm a scalper. Again, let's see. Again here, what happened? Like 1441, 51.2 CR. This is 1451 right before 3 p.m. Let's see. 14251 and this is 241. So let's see. So this is 241. This is where, and what was the other one? That was here, 251, right before 3 p.m. I mean, many people look for that hero zero thing. So this was your today hero zero. So 251. So let's see. So 251 here. Okay. So the price is at 67, and there also like it pumped up to 140. So more than 2x, guys. Like. But again, those who do hero zero, they would have bought like 600 C. So let's also look at 600 or let's say 550 C. So sorry, this one. So let's look at that chart. 251. So again, I'm not recommending you to do hero zero. So even I also don't do. But again, it's all up to you. So this is where it was like at 32. Okay, also let's see 600. So the 600 C, let's see where it pumped to from 251. So 251, it was here at 14. Okay, and it pumped up to 60. Okay, 4x. So anyways, even after that also, like 4x is also a good one, like for those who those who wants to do hero zero. How to read the money flow indicator? Yes, there the link is already there. How to read it? I have kept the link here. This one. Okay, so there is this sheet and it's all written what the scores means and whatever. So again, let me post the link as well. So here is the link. Okay, so just bought the indicator. Okay, yes, thanks Kadosh. How to read the money flow indicator? Yes, zero hero trades can also be taken using, yes, they can also be taken using HFT, but again, I don't recommend. Disclaimer is that even I don't do hero zero. Okay, so I might sell puts if I see this. I don't buy calls at the right end. I might sell puts. Okay, so again, its rest is up to you. Many people come and say that how much can we expect per month or how much money should we put. So it's all like it all depends on your risk management. I am not SEBI registered. I cannot tell you anything, and even I cannot guarantee profits. That is wrong. Okay, so all I can show you is that there is an indicator which like tracks the big guys, big institutions with fund flow, and it's working because anyone can suddenly like tomorrow someone can come and also say that this also does the same job, catches the big guys, this is fund, anything anyone can do. But is it working? Are they the big guys? Yes, this is the proof that they are the big guys. Like right after that, the charts are bending. Right after they are taking big positions, charts are bending, and so that's why like it's a proof that they are the big guys. And so if you want such an information, then you are welcome here. Otherwise, like how much return you can expect, or how much you can make per month with this one, or any guaranteed profits or anything, so please, this would be going against the laws. So again, it's all up to you. That it all depends on, like as I said, that in prop decks people are trading with 2 cr, making 2 lakhs. Okay, then it's a good month for them. If they make 3 lakhs, then they are really happy. Like, and if they make 3.5 lakhs with 2 cr fund, then they're like dance. Okay, so you should try to understand, like it's their risk management. As per the risk management they are managing, they are making that. So try to understand that. Again, it's but you might be saying that like I'm an option buyer, so I just scalp, or I just capture moves, fast moves. So again, those who want, like, see, as an option buyer you need fast moves. Like, you can't wait. Like, you start waiting and option starts decaying, and especially on an expiry day. Okay, so for you all, like, this is the best thing. Like, it's really working. It will work for the writers, of course, but for the option buyers, since you need, like, right now, like, you need the move, right? Like, most of the option buyers, what happens, slightly decay and they fear that further decay might happen, and then they close, right? So they don't see the move for a very long time, they close. So you need the move right away, and this is where it comes in, right? That is, the charts will, the charts with a high probability, it bends right after they have taken some big positions. Yeah, sure. Okay. Yes. So see, the 24,600 C came as low as 2 rupees, and then the put injection happened. Yeah. So 24,600 C. So if I look at with 24,600, obviously, like, people will say you are just saying to sell your indicator, but yes, just for fun, guys, not to sell my indicator. So yes, it was here at almost like 3 rupees, 3 to 4 rupees, and finally it pumped to 60. So, or even like this pump also, it took to, like, even let's look at here only, like it went to 34 and this one was 40. So it happened 10x there. So right after, like, here they did some heavy put writing. So again, that was for fun, guys. So again, as you saw, like, market was pumping. Market was like one after the other, it was pumping, and right here, right at the top, like, they shorted. And then the pump stopped. So again, sometimes it might happen that the pump is not stopping. So what you do is, like, that's what I always say, wait for the charts to bend a little. Okay, so you get a little bit of surety, and if you want too much surety, then, like, you have to wait for the sell signal on the smart trend. Okay, during intraday, like, if you want the sure shot ones. So you can combine the AI money flow, like here, for example, here we saw that, like, not this one, this one. So 1202, I think we saw, that is AI money flow went negative. So whichever is giving a good sign of shorting or going long, and you see a similar signal on the smart trend, you can, like, go with that. So here 1202 we saw, like, the score, like, went here again negative, and then, like, the sell signal was there, no, 1212, and then this move, like, sure shot, this move could have been captured with proper SL, and the trailing SL is also there. Okay, so like this also, people can identify the sure shot ones as well. So like that's why I have made some rules I have posted in this video. That is like, again guys, if you found it helpful, so please don't forget to put a like. So I don't see much likes in the today's live streams. I don't know why. Even you saw such a nice pump. And okay, so yes, now you see here, that is which one? Yes, reversal and this high probability setup where I have discussed the rules. Like those who totally wants to go with the rules, yes, go with the rules and capture the sure shot moves, and you don't have to like uh, go otherwise or in other scenarios. But for pro traders like this, like that, they can like if they think that yes, market is a good one to reverse now, even in the sell zone we are, so you can go, but keep a strict stop loss, in the sell zone if you are going long, or if the AI money flow is deeply negative, or especially if the AI money flow is going deeply negative, then don't go against it. Once it has got into the deeply negative, then it's fine. Like and the move has come, then it's fine. Like then at the bottom the HFTs are showing going long, the big put riders are there, then it's fine. But while the AI money flow is going down, so or going up, so then like restrict yourself to go against the AI money flow. Okay. And again, you just have to follow two indicators. Simple setup, everything, like every scenario has been covered, and that's why it's a high probability setup. Okay. And the third one is the smart trend, and that's it. Like, because see, if I want to show that like if you whatever you are, like suppose if I'm selling my indicator for 50,000 or something, so I can show that I have built 10 indicators, you are getting access to 30 indicators, this and that and that, and it's value of money, worth of money. So try to understand 30 indicators or even 10 indicators. If you follow during intraday, all the 10s won't align in the same direction at the same time. And so keep the simple setup. Like even one indicator, if it can make you money, then that's it. You don't need 1,000 indicators. Again, Skadosh, like I always say that I don't do like so we will do some FII's Propdex, like they will be today closing the expiry trades, and whatever is left we will see at the EOD data, and then we will analyze, and then we will see, even we will see what the fresh positions they are building tomorrow, and then we'll decide. Like don't so that will be something like gambling, like mujhe lagta hai type. So let's go with the data points. Okay, I'll post. So what is the outlook for tomorrow? See, today is expiry, so it will expire. So outlook for tomorrow, we can leave that. We can leave that tomorrow. I think it's better, because what happens is that on Friday fresh positions are built up. So that's why like we should watch on Friday, especially the AI money flow and the HFT indicator. Okay, what is the fresh positions that is being built up on Friday? खाली একটা টেবিলের অভাব তো হয়নি. Yes, the scanner. Oh, I forgot the question. Someone said again, the scanner. I tried to build the scanner, but again, people are saying that okay, build a scanner here. Like here, there will be a table which will show big call writing and put writing in, let's say, stocks or in indices, because only one screen we can open, and if we have a scanner, it will be fine. I think I have answered this. Like, suppose in Pine script, a script simultaneously can pull 40 symbols. Like, for example, try to understand what does it mean by pulling 40 symbols. That is here. Suppose I'm putting, when I'm in the settings, I'm putting this, that is number of strikes you want to analyze is 11. So sorry, I put usually 6 in Nifty, but yes, maximum you can go with 11. Why did I put that max? So try to understand first. That is, you can at max pull 40 symbols. Means what? Suppose if I am putting 6, okay, so that means what? It's analyzing 6. That is, one is the ATM, that is 24,600, and or let's put 7 here, then you'll better understand. So one is the ATM, okay, that is one is the ATM, that is 24,600, call and put both, and then the rest of the 6 is outside. So that means 300, and I have kept the multiple in 50. So 300 points outside, like whatever the strike price are at multiples of 50, the call out of the out of the money calls and out of the money puts. Okay, so 6 out of the money puts, 6 out of the money, just out of the money, right out of the money calls and puts, and one ATM. So now, so how many symbols is it pulling? That is if I put 7 here, so it's basically pulling that is 6 OTM calls and 6 OTM puts. So 6 plus 6, 12, and the 2 for the ATM. So 14. Okay, 14 symbols in just one, this one it's pulling. Now try to understand that even if I just make it for just like three such, like Nifty, Bank Nifty, it will only take like 14, like 28 symbols are gone. Okay, so even if I can at most get another one in the scanner, and that like I can pull 40, because that scanner will be pulling, like that scanner will be pulling all those symbols, so, and analyzing, and that's why like that's the difficulty here in Pine script. Now people are saying that you can also like build a on your own website or something. So yes, I'm definitely trying to do that. So I am basically like saving a lot of funds that I'm collecting, because a lot of funds is needed, because I am not an expert in all these website stuffs. So the website that you see I have built, it's a very basic website. I even don't like my own website. So it's very bad, like design wise. So I just tell people that I made it for just like if you visit the website, it's really bad. So the design structure. So I always say that like I have built it for just to make the payment, and that's it. Okay. So again, this is, I don't feel this is a very professional website or something. So if I want to build a professional website, and then there should be security purpose also, like there should be security as well, because anyone, then the hackers would come and hack my website easily. And then like I have to get hold of web servers, because I have to get hold of computational power, a good amount of computational power, and so that's the thing, like a huge cost is involved there. So because if I have to hire someone to do all those stuffs, like I have to pay them at least 20 lakhs to 30 lakhs at least, if I'm hiring a freelancer to do that. And so, and apart from that, I have to like buy my servers, and so AWS I can go for. And so that's the thing, like yes, in like obviously I'm looking for that solution in the future, and that's why I'm saving a lot from whatever I am earning from selling the indicator, so that I can give a better service like in the future, because those who are not having premium accounts on TradingView, so there are limitations for them as well. So that if I can have it all on my website, so because you can understand, like simply building like a TradingView platform, I mean, otherwise anyone would have built it, right? It costs a lot. So I mean, that's why like I'm saving for it. So what I am currently planning is to extend the money flow, like extend the money flow, like now the money flow updates every 1 minute 30 seconds. So I am thinking about making the money flow in real time and outputting it as a candle chart, so it will look more interesting there. And the thing is that, and also not for Nifty, Bank Nifty, but for all those FNO stocks and indices as well. So that's what the next plan is. And but again, there is also a difficulty, because here now I have only two Google Sheets to share. then what I'll do with all those stocks and everything. So yes, I have to think about, maybe in one Google Sheet I have to pull, but again, I can do it on Google Sheet. I forgot one point, that there is some limitations in writing in Google Sheet. So that's why in real time I cannot write on Google Sheet. So that's why like a lot of things are there. So anyways, I'll definitely try my best to give the best possible service. And again, I hope you have got the reversal and you have seen like such we can, like, this should inspire you that yes, with the help of the data points we can achieve the impossible. Because so far tracking the big institutional positions in real time was impossible. Finding the reversals from almost like everyone says the same thing, that if someone is saying that they caught the reversal from almost top or bottom, then only God can do and a liar can do. But again, you should understand, this is an indicator. This was updated, I in the live stream starting I showed you, this was updated March 15th. So code is doing like this and it's achievable. So we have achieved the impossible. Like those who believe that only God can do, so we have been able to like get hold of it. Like we have been able to do it with the data points and with our hard work and your support and love. So again, if you really think that the indicator is worth it, you can grab the indicator. So you just have to like go to my website and make the payment. And again, if you are making the payment today, your membership starts tomorrow, count starts tomorrow, but you get access right away, so that over the night you can study the charts and everything and then go live tomorrow. Pseudo quantitative লোকজন থাকলে আমার তোমার কাজটা আচ্ছা। Yes, because they have 1,40,000 followers. So I mean, I only have 30,000 sorry, 3,000 followers. So yes, still I'm doing my best to fight with such someone who is having such big followers. So still I'm doing my best. Again, it's all the powers is like in your hands, guys. Like someone is selling a modified MACD at just 40k MACD MACD indicator, guys. It's available for free. Everyone has used it once in their lifetime. Okay, so slightly modification and they are selling it for I think 40k or 50k. So do watch this, guys. Do watch this video and please do share that video as much as possible, so that I mean people gets to know, and it's our responsibility that like we should I mean make people aware of such things. Like I did my best. What I was doing, you know, like till 4 a.m. in the morning, what happened was like I was going through Nifty chart, okay, and no pattern was visible. Like somewhere this pattern I see, then I wasn't able to again with that pattern I wasn't able to get it. Then I opened Bitcoin chart because Bitcoin is live, and I watched it like 3 hours. Like totally, I sat and watched 3 hours that what is exactly happening, because in live you understand what is happening. Okay, even in replay version also you don't get exactly that thing. So in live you get like suddenly red came, red went out and so on. You understand what is happening there. So I went and sat like the last 2 nights, and then I made the video and went to sleep at 5 a.m. in the morning, so that people do. I mean, I did my best. Now, guys, it's up to you. Share it, like it, and like share it. Like tell people, traders to share it, so that like they cannot fool the retailers or those who have limited capital, or they cannot rip anyone like with some modified MACD. So why not you use MACD itself? So okay, guys, yeah. So thanks for watching. Okay, yeah. So thanks. Thank you, everyone. So yes, again, see you in the next one. Okay, bye.